Good morning, it's 7:45 a.m. and the lads are ready to take on a big adventure. Looking for some
boys.
Yeah, the boys. We're going looking for some waves a little further down the coast. And yeah, really not sure what to expect, but let's have some fun. Yoo! What's the plan?
The plan? Oof. If there was one, just take the bike and see what we find on the way.
Easy.
It's not really planned.
The big man has organized 2 motorbikes and we're gonna take them along the coast in search of some waves he hasn't been able to basically access. Cape 3 Point is probably the goal, but just getting there in itself will probably be the real challenge. It's later. So look how he does it. It's good. Here we go. Oh.
And after stalling 100 times and getting a 20-minute bike lesson, we were on our way to Dick's Cove, a small fishing village outside of Busua. We continued through here pretty quickly, and you guessed it, we kept on stalling, but we were enjoying every minute of it.
Hey! Now we're stuck in diesel bike. The road actually has been pretty sweet, but we have arrived to the village of no name because there's no name on Google Maps. But we're gonna have a look and see. And the kids are yelling, "Oh Brony! Oh Brony!" Woo! This is sick! Wow! The little green room, yeah, but look at this! Oh, this is so cool. Hello! Hey! This is the bike, the backpack, all the camera gear, the sofa, and the swell. Freaking setup, bro! Clean swell! Woo! Palm trees, Frenchman! Yo, what's up? Hello! Yay! You like?
Not long after leaving the village with no name, Julian spotted a beach break just off the side of the road, and as you can see, a lot of pointing was going on. Wanted to make the most of the opportunity, so I stopped off to take some photos.
Wow.
And as you can tell, I was pretty pumped about the situation.
Today, it's pumping. It's gonna pump.
Ready to roll?
Although it was pumping, we wanted to get on the road, keep making our way to Cape 3.
Hello.
Thick, red, Gannon mud, beautiful sun. We made our way from the village of no name over to the fishing village of Aquita.
These boys are selling laptops. Made it to Aquita. This is the bridge. The bridge that we were told about. We've got to push the bikes over these. If you ride it, then you're in trouble. Easy, eh? Oh!
You have to do the coach. I don't have to do suffer.
Oh! Pretty cool, eh?
Pretty sketchy, yeah?
Not too bad though. 2 of you together. Yes. Oh, yes. Nice. This adventure has been full of ups and downs. We've just run out of fuel.
I get myself back.
Hop on, boss.
A quick trip back into Aquita to get some fuel. We were on the long road over to Cape 3 Points. Once we got to Cape 3 Point, we had a look at the lighthouse, and we had a feeling we were in the right place. Knew the wave was somewhere near. One of the locals told us to head back to an eco lodge, only for us to find out.
Right, was up at the lighthouse, came back to this eco lodge because the lighthouse told us to come here, and the eco lodge is telling us to go there. So we need to go back to the village and then walk to the village, and we'll find the wave we're looking for.
Back into Cape 3 Point village, and we came across these roadside donuts. Oh my god, the best. I had 6 of them. Then we got a local to crack up some coconuts, hydrate before a good surf. Loshi, the legend, surfing local, showed us the way out to the point, and the rest is history.
And the big man's gonna have a look at the wave and the point and all sorts, eh? Okay.
Just see what's behind this
Julian said the wave was much better here on the other side of the point, but Loshi saying that it's so dangerous with all the rocks, so I was just going through all the area, seeing if it's worth it or not.
There is always a nice way to come and look, but it's not advisable.
I'm gonna try one. If I see it's too if I see it's too sketchy,
I'll meet you there, it's fine. So what do you think?
It's going to be sketchy, but let's see if you want to give it a try. Let's see.
Tell us. Cape 3 Points.
Cape 3 Point. It's pretty sketchy. There's a lot of rocks. But yeah, it's nice. Nice wave through the mangrove. That's a nice place.
Loshi said he thinks you're the first person he's ever seen surfing around the
think
corner
so?
here. That's what he said.
Okay, nice.
He's never seen anybody else surf there.
So we surfed that way for the first time ever. That's cool.
Secret spot, eh?
You gotta give it a name. Leprechaun Point.
You.
Yeah, it was really amazing sections today. Julian had his first ever wave, which no one's surfed it before, which was really sketchy and crazy, but it was really fun for him, and he's super happy. So
We were thinking we need to give it a name, the wave.
okay.
So what do you think?
You know it?
No, you can name it.
Maybe Julian Sport. Sure.
Are you gonna come? You go back there, eh?
Let's see.
Yeah.